In this video, I'm going to show you how to go about allocating your work to your team. Okay, so on this screen here, this shows you a list of all the work that's unallocated. Okay, so you've got a list of assigned buttons here. This work has already been assigned. Okay, so if you just want to simply assign one bit of work to someone, just click on the assign button. You'll see in the drop down and you can just allocate it. It's as simple as that, and it's now allocated. Now, that's a very manual way of doing your allocation. If you're wanting to actually just use our route optimization engine, you can do that as well. And so if you go down to route optimization or optimize stops, and take and allocate a large number of bookings to a number of team members, okay? This will work through the optimization process. Now, if you're thinking about doing this, I'd suggest go and watch the video on optimize stops, because that goes through this in a lot of detail. But this is specifically if you're looking at allocating a large number of bookings. Now, if you're running an on-demand business, or it's bookings come in and you want to allocate those to drivers, or you want your drivers to accept those bookings, that's when you would use this section under the settings area. So if we go down to settings, under the general settings here, you've got the ability to enable notifications, okay? So when you do this, it'll automatically get sent to your drivers, and it'll get sent to them based on this criteria. So nearest driver within an X number of radius, so whether it's 30 kilometers or miles, you can configure that there. Okay, so what that looks like from the driver's point of view, I'll just load up the driver app. Okay, so this is what you see from a driver's point of view. What you'll just do is head on to the menu option here at the top and click on that, and you can see unassigned bookings. This will show you the driver a list of anything that's unassigned. They can actually click on it and they can choose to accept or reject that particular booking. So it's really straightforward for them. As those bookings are actually coming through in real time, they'll receive notifications. They'll be able to click through on that notification. They'll see the full booking details. They'll be able to click accept, and it will automatically allocate it to that particular driver. So it's really straightforward. From that point of view, you'll be able to see it in the list here, and it will show you the bookings there. You'll then see as they do that, you'll be able to go to the stop section, and you'll be able to see a list of the bookings that have been allocated to them. So it's quite straightforward. You've got a number of areas where you can filter on this screen here as well. So whether you're filtering based on the different statuses, looking at a particular date, you can do that, but also based on the regions, and so being able to filter based on the different regions that are available here. And you've also got a general search where you're searching for a customer name or maybe for a booking reference number there as well. So that's how you go about doing allocation. Allocation works differently for different types of businesses. If you're not sure how best it's going to work for your business, just reach out to us. Use the live chat, send us an email. We'll be more than happy to walk you through the process and do a live screen sharing and show you exactly how it works for your business.